Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NetBeams to quickly write a Java program. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to call my NetBeams software, and again, I assume that you have the free NetBeams software installed already. So let me click on the icon over here. Let me move the window to the recorded area. All right, so the NetBeans is ready. And then to create a project, all you need to do is go to the file, select new project, and then you will bring you through this new project wizard. Step one, just make sure that you pick the Java as the under the category section. And for project, you can use the default Java application and click next. And then you can pick a project name, and then make sure that you know where the project location it will be. So let me pick, let's say Java demo 00, and then assume that I'm going to change my stored location to a different storage. So let me see, let me try the F drive. And again, if it's necessary, you can create a new folder by clicking on this icon over here. So let's do that. So let me type the new folder name is Java Demo. Again, you can pick any name you like, and click the icon, select the folder, new folder name. So you can see that the file name will be created under this path. F drive Java demo. Let me click open. There you go. So you can double check on it that the project location is changed, and then click finish. Click finish. And then it give you some template code. By default, feel free to just use it. So I'm going to put my mouse insertion point and behind this to do code application logic here, and want to press the enter key, and I'm going to write the first Java statement system dot out dot print line. For example, print ln means print line. And then the software putting it that automatically when it see a left parenthesis, you will add a right parenthesis for you. But anyway, inside the pair of parentheses, I'm going to add it a pair of I'm going to add a pair of double quotes, and then I will just type something like Java is cool, and I'm going to run the program. To run the program, all you need to do is from the icon bars over here, or toolbar over here, just click this run project icon. Then you can see in a minute under this output area, you will see the output Java is cool. So let's do that. There we go. So you can see this is the output. You want to display by using this system the out the print line statement. So anything inside the double quotes will be displayed over the output screen. In the meantime, the run and also this build successful messages they are from the software. And then this is your output. All right, that will be all. I hope that you enjoyed. Have a good day.